RB fam, welcome back to each channel. I don't know where share your video, click your like, no man, it's free, you know. Just try that we are going to enjoy the natural places for Uno. Just click like and such. Wow.
Enjoy no.
Jeff, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Have a fun.
Share to 1 million people, no man. You see me? Remember, say red light, pepper light, yellow light, blue, you know, man. Tell them you don't know where you fuck to the
Yeah, very bad.
You want that stuff? That is it, man.
What's your name, Berita?
Force.
Force like a hydraulics. Watch out, man, them say force like a rabbit, you know. But we say force like a hydraulics.
What is it?
With your Berita, sir.
You want that stuff?
What dog say?
Berita, that.
Where? I buried it on the sign.
So Berita.
I don't bury it already.
Move your bum buck, man.
Where I go out with my G? Right there, you know, fully force. That is it,
I
man.
wonder if a Berita or Berita, you know what I mean?
Berita.
We have a find out.
That's how they are Berita.
A Berita with the dog. Studio with a Berita.
That's a different name.
Bad man, me say, when I tell me say one place name Berita.
I know, yes, sir.
I don't want miss. When I'm in the business, you want me to go and no vibe, no create, you know. I'm in business, want me, you hear me?
I know we get in and yard we are fit.
The vibes me hard, friend.
I know, I see it. I see it. I come from the line this morning. When I go forward, turn and this do one more look and say, yo, come on, ski, don't know over there. And me follow you and go turn back and know, say, I'm million. You just turn me back because you know I'm 3 million. When you go reach this far, we turn back.
Yeah, I will if I drive here, I can go and take on the road there, man.
But that makes sense.
I'm fully done, so I'm sing that proud. I truly believe I'm sing that.
Nightlife on the camera. I don't know where your boy scheme gone. You see me? RB fam, welcome back to each channel. I don't know where your boy scheme gone, but Russian there, Nightlife there, Killer there, Chaka there, Crown Boss there.
Force, you know, man.
I don't know which part of the people, but try it.
Walk your place, man.
Subscribe and tell you we now know who I'm talking. You see me? Yeah.
You see me, Killer?
Hello man, river settings in a man, and I mean, as I say, welcome back to the channel. Tips, they're on a new location, and we're testing out the spot for black back. No come back, you know what I mean?
That is it.
Third one, them about there, stone back, them about there, whole two about there, you know what I mean? 2 days what already, big up on yourself, 2 days already, big up on yourself. Down here, up. Guys, no, you guys cook, you just swim or what? Comment, tell me what you put. Or you just got skinny dipping and some
That
other
is
stuff.
it.
What? Comment and tell me what you guys do when you're at the river or the beach. Or the beach. You know what I mean? We love them myself.
Shire thing, river night. Big up yourself, Shire thing. You know, you need to see this man in the Shire thing. Big up yourself.
Wow, that George, man. Fully out. Man,
River nice, your fuck.
nice. I want in dog. And I only one, you know.
When we are saying river nice, let me tell you what I mean. We don't know what uno take as nice, but peace of mind nice too, you see me? Like the ambience, the breeze, you blow, no negativity, you see me? Yeah, so Friday, yeah, on a Sunday, and I cook on rice and peas, big up on say, woman, remember say, boy, you know, deserve rice and peas, you know,
What they deserve? What they deserve?
no, well, they don't know when no man deserve. I know when me deserve. Me deserve a like, a subscribe, we get notification.
You want to share too?
Yeah, mama, watch I not share, but not to man, to your woman peers. You understand what I say? Your auntie, your niece. You get what I mean? Yeah. Big up all IG them still, cause nightlife Russian them they represent PG them. You see me, but me represent the woman them. RB ladies. You see me, I say they are my babies. So watch on the man in the comment. I don't know which for me they say they carry me go be if we go discover something. What you call it? DC Discovery Beard. Big up on the sun. You see me, river look pretty. River look pretty.
Alright, here when you pop.
Beautiful. I just repeat him and I repeat what I say.
Yeah, that's
Thing that
Like a search, brother, search, brother. A search, a search.
so I see him thing where you talk to me about no, no, you know, you can't cut out this. Remember, see, I really anytime.
Big up 3 people over there. That one new location. No thing from there.
People don't litter these things. Watch out. People, look the people. No can't they do them a thing, yeah, man. Look for garbage. Show them garbage, brother. Look for garbage, brother. Clean up your environment. Would I clean up here right now, you know, but me not have the energy, you know, you see me? But you me, I try to tell you now, I see same thing when you go do here, do new. This is the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, when you don't know, so it's a, I don't really, I see a RB fan, but welcome to it. Just subscribe, watch our go on, watch our thing. You see me, just be on yourself, we not really business. Just telling my friends, telling my family, tune in. Because I don't know how to go get already in the entertainment environment. I make talk, cause maybe me I talk too fast and I say more than one thing, like multiple times. Yeah.
real talk, man.
Just stay clear.
Watch out.
Watch and observe, you know?
Yeah, as I said, this is just one quick rundown where we are going. Check out the environment.
New location, huh?
Yeah.
People, watch out now, let me tell you the truth. The YouTuber them not like telling them. Let me tell you what we did. We are going to enjoy the natural places for Uno. Just click like that. Wow.
Not enjoying no.
Yeah, enjoy for yourself.
Him not do it. Let me ask you.
Yeah, promote. I'm like enjoying myself. And that's what we are.
People, majority of the time when I come at them a location, yeah, me not full joy myself because of Uno. Because I have the flag for Uno and race and Uno me they do it back. All who they work, big up on themselves, working 9 to 5 with that aim. Nobody just work to see they work. It not going to make sense. Try to be a boss, a shepherd, a leader. They see how we there, so on a Sunday, Uno not get to do this. So now I wash right now, I press schools right now. I do all type of thing back to school shopping. So we have to take time out to do this for the ladies. I'm not representing the man, them general represent.
See, again in this wrong.
Again. Talk.
Represent the man, me represent the lady.
Again.
Because he said me just sit up. I think because when they hide me, man, tell me a fine.
Have a fine.
I'm telling you, no talk when I go. Alright, no talk when I go. Alright. Shaka represent for the whole channel.
Yeah.
Me represent for the ladies.
No, you have to ask for what to represent.
Ask.
This is show me respect people's opinion, me. Listen. What we represent?
Alright, me represent the whole.
Which whole? Which whole? The man just said, what you say about that? He represent for the whole. What is the whole?
Universe, man.
No, he said that.
The whole people them, but they are so and I tune in and I support the thing.
Oh,
and I
any of
push the
them.
thing. So I remember good say, we need fear.
Any of them mean when the old people.
Watch on people. You don't have to watch out thing them.
But this is edit I want joke. Every minute I cut out the thing then.
I'm gonna cut out, brother.
Cut.
When it's necessary to cut, it cut.
Yeah, so cut off myself.
No, man, when it's necessary to cut, you have to cut. Get what I say?
That's why we have to just run up the thing. We have to cash out. We want to make 100 million this season. 100 million. Remember, you know, we have to carry on up on tour them. So if we don't watch out, we can't make it 100 million. Remember, I said fish up, glad up in the people. Enough people get injured. Russian flick out a tree and sprain the ankle.
Yeah.
Russian dive in a car. Drop off a vine. Brother, there's so many things. Just don't have to do, you know. Share the video. Click it like no money free, you know. That's what I say.
No cost.
Watch out. Why ask if you will autograph? You see me when they never take in the craft. You see what I say?
That is it.
So, we go and give you autograph and take it. I believe numbers are there, but the new channel, the big up for themselves. What that one name? RB Fam. What your name is the new channel?
RB family.
RB Fam. That easier for them find. RB Fam. You see what I say? I don't have to dip on the cover photo, just make something fun. I don't want to dip on the cover photo, I just want to know when they see me, brother.
Force.
RB Fam, member in people. New channel out right now, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So how much subscribers are there on the new channel? None. Send the channel come give me, bro. No, watch out now, send it come give me for two. This is a video enough to post till we reach all 100 subscribers. And then no umpy thing. All 1K we fi reach before we all drop a new video on that the channel there. After we have to say how interested in our way they do. That's why I say people make we know if we really just a get up. They just a get up and go no energy. Alright, me not to be hard for 1,000 people in there.
But we have 7,000 on the first one, you know.
You see me? 100 we are go. First video 100. Send it link come to me.
Alright.
Anybody will come for my TikTok live and no one subscribe when I get black. That's how me I work right now. You see me? Who now work with the movement? So me have to 100 likes. How much you want for this video? Yeah? Because we now go post here till the channel reach 100 subscribers. So how much like you think we want for the video in there? A million.
Yeah, a million easy, man. Yeah. A million easy.
Alright. 1 mil people. I don't tell you when they say 1 million. Just share it to 1 million people, no, man. You see me? Remember I say red light, pepper light, yellow light, blue, you know, man. The whole dog you think I be a fuck you.
We don't like you, we don't like you, you know. Like they want attraction to the pattern, you know? Where them they come from, yeah, man.
Okay. I support your wishes, okay?
Death by his one diss track alone.
How much you going to say? What I have to do? Book a reservation? How can I book a reservation?
I can go to the beach.
Where? Baker Beach. Alright.
You have a book reservation for going to the
Yes,
right now,
Rapids.
I don't listen to no girl.
I want River Rapids.
Yeah, go come someone. Yeah, I come back some Franca niggas in the bus.
Yeah. I don't listen to no go back in.
Leave, man.
Yeah, turn the bus here, man. Fuck it.
With that piano pier, just no say. But that's how I go on, man. It's nice, you know? Chip there alone. Alright, don't I'm not going to go back down, sir. I place, you know, like the place itself, can I have a look here. But differently. Place there differently. Then look who's sitting at that.
Is it?
So where now?
Is it over here in the park so you can... Yeah. Yeah, I want in the bar and some style, you know?
That is it, man.
Set up the absolutely sitting area like where family can go sit down and one little place where you can buy food, drinks and...
Alright, over this end, I'll go over this end now. Just bar in. Over here, office is the one so we can go. Look, you see you are going to again. And this is one I go so. Brother, we have bar and no music, brother. But you want to come?
We didn't keep.
Let's get it, let's go. Yeah. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah, we in the zone now, in the zone. Money on the floor now, on the floor. Never seen a crew so fly, yeah, we taking over the town. Watch them throw it back for a stack, make it bounce for a while. See the vibe go low, high. paper I can buy. Wanna see you moving now. I can do this all